Praise God, for He gave us the breath of life, a gift precious for survival, so that we could enjoy and rejoice our existence. But when things fail us and illness occurs, how much expense would it pay for? Physically, emotionally, and so much financially. But God made a way. It was March 18, 2006, when Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated was established here in the Philippines. It also happened to be my 20th birthday. 7 months after, December that same year, I was diagnosed with an illness. I, which just then so active and vibrant, there was not a sign that something worse could happen. The disease, though identified, it was rare. No common medical remedy yet known. This is where all of that cost comes in. Even if I haven't witnessed it myself because I was still unaware, I learned eventually that for an average family like us, we have experienced being physically exhausted, emotionally down, and financially drained. My mother sought for every possible cure. She tried every probable treatment. But for a situation like mine, only the product of AIM Global worked out. The rest of all the other synthetic medicines that we have tried before just wasted effort. Because my mom was anxious that I needed to get well soon, she did not hesitate to try this herbal medicine. The product, it was formerly alive, then complete, until the one that we know now as C24/7. And you know, it lives up to its name, complete 24 hours a day, 7 times a week. And if it's so said that God do send blessings in disguise, ours was open to us through the selfless individuals who help us until the end. To it, our deepest thanks to Tatay Edward Hagedorn and his family as well. He is an image of an extraordinary individual who nobly reached down and offered help to people in need with all he had unselfishly, without expecting anything in return. Listen, one family, the Janvi, the spirited youth in you is that same self that moves you to do good by helping others, and your way also to prove that this medicine you've trusted, so others will put their trust to it as well, was all worth it. To Tita Sheila, to all of us whose hearts been touched over genuine generosity by sharing her blessings. To Dr. Fred and Tita Sheila, the kindness in you can be clearly shown in the family that you have brought up. We thank you for sharing you to us, for helping us to succeed and also to be healed. And to all those who have helped us during our worst and even until today, and assures us that they will still be there as much as they can. All of you, you are all a blessing. Nowadays, a lot of testimonies are already made known to enlighten us. As for me, I am doing my part. This is my way of saying to you all, I am here with you today, alive, all because we believed in the product. We tried it, and in the end, we proved it to ourselves. My friends, I want to share this all to you because I do have been healed. The last time, the doctor said that there is a possibility that I could remain inert for the rest of my life. But it proved them wrong. Through the power of a life, I regained strength. It did not happen all at once, but the process is slowly but surely. Little by little, the effectiveness is seen. The day, all is well. Given this opportunity, let us not think twice no more. We are confident and salute the capability of the doctors that invented this herbal medicine, and happy as well that it has been introduced here. It sure has helped a lot of sickness and will definitely be able to help more. Sabi nga nila, last January 10, 2011, ikaw na ang susunod. Remember that health is wealth. It is one of God's precious blessings to us. Once we've lost it, it is so hard to bring it back again. So we should take good care of it. Health is not simply the absence of sickness. It is the wholeness of our well-being.
Once again, this is yours truly, Ivy Pacaldo de Maribas, saying, to stay healthy everyone, inside and out. The journey will never end as long as there is a chance. We must grab it and keep on going. I wish you all prosperity, abundance, wellness, peace of mind, wealth, and freedom. Thank you. May God be with us all. Power.